as we see it on the ground, as the artist sees things as they are on the ground. All I can say is, in today's world, you cannot hide reality. You can disinform, you can seal your borders, you can not allow independent observers to move in, to observe and report for themselves, but truth will surface. You cannot block information in today's world. The power of media and the power of social media has set new standards. As Andalip just mentioned, that one young, self-respecting, brave girl who stood up to hooliganism the other day has moved millions all over the world. The narrative that Pakistan was building, that India over the years is changing. The India that you were aware of, the secular, the India of Gandhi and Nehru, is being overtaken by a new mindset, by a new approach to the region, the Akhand Bharat approach, and the Hindutva mindset. And that is dangerous. It is not just dangerous for Kashmiris who have suffered and continue to suffer on account of human rights violations and the atrocities that we see on a daily basis. But it is transcending different states, and this conversion from a secular state to a majoritarian state is a huge shift. It will have implications. It already has implications. You've seen people react. You've seen the enlightened minds in India react to what they saw in Karnataka. You've seen many in the Indian opposition criticize and are feeling uncomfortable on how the image of this largest democracy in the world is being soiled by a new mindset, the new leadership that is governing India. I am confident that this shift that I have seen from militancy to a people's movement is a very powerful shift, and the right and the correct shift. You have to win the hearts and minds of people to bring about a change. And I can share this with confidence that the policy India is pursuing today, they're fast losing the hearts and minds of Kashmiris. The alienation one sees today, one has never seen before. They are gradually, slowly but surely, distancing themselves from Delhi. They are not looking up to Delhi anymore for solutions. And they are quietly, under the surface, talking on how to resist this onslaught, this inhuman onslaught, through a people's resistance movement. This exhibition depicts how humanity is suffering. One understands, for different reasons, At times, uh, people who do understand what the reality is choose to keep quiet. Political expediency dictates. Commercial interests force you to remain silent. But truth will surface. And this struggle for self-determination will, in my view, succeed. When people start depicting reality through art, music, lyrics, that makes a huge difference. And that process has already begun. So thank you, the South Asia Division, for making this possible. We were, we are, and we will remain steadfast with the Kashmiri people in their just struggle for self-determination. Thank you.
वज़ीर ख़ारजा शाह महमूद कुरैशी यौम यकजहती कश्मीर के सिलसिले में मुनक़दा तक़रीब से खिताब कर रहे थे। उन्होंने कहा कि भारत मकबूजा कश्मीर में इंसानी हुकूक की संगीन खिलाफ वर्जियां कर रहा है। भारत सेकुलर होने का दावेदार है मगर अक़लियतों पर मज़ालिम ढा रहा है। भारत की नाम नहाद जमहूरियत का चेहरा दुनिया के सामने अयां हो चुका है।